Family, so our Jamaican sister said that she wants thyme, avocado, and soursop. So we're gonna actually go to the Ingara market to see if we can get that, family. So you know what I mean. Let's go. Let's go. All right, family. So this is all what we got. Everything is here. Brethren Peter putting the things in the car, family. So let's go. Let's go and run to the Ingara market. What happened to your face? Yeah man, respect. Alright family, let's go to Ingara. And juice. Fresh. So let's go. Let's go to Ingara. One love. God bless. Like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, family. So actually getting some fresh cane juice. Our Jamaican sister. Everywhere you go, family, it's actually taste and buy. Taste and buy. Nice, it's nice. Let me have that bottle. Let me ask her. I have to take the sample for her. Talk that you like it. Let me take the sample for our Jamaican sister. Take this sample. Really good. Yeah. One bottle is for.
They have the lime in it.
Yeah, that one has lime in it. Yeah.
No ginger.
Oh yeah, no ginger. Not yeah. This one don't have a lot of ginger.
I want some ginger.
You want some ginger? I'll tell them.
Yeah. I don't want ginger. I want to taste the ginger.
All right, family. Let me tell them. So she want to taste the ginger. Can I have some ginger in that one? In the one I'm getting, more ginger, a little ginger, yeah, a little ginger, yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna put a little more ginger in it for that one.
Yes.
This is how you had the ginger, family.
Lime ginger?
Yeah.
Yes, this is ginger. Let me add more ginger.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lime.
This is ginger.
Okay.
Okay.
Add the ginger.
Yes. Ginger here. Okay. Give me this ginger. Then we save the juice.
Yeah, you sieve it like that.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, family, this is how it's done.
This is lime.
Oh, you put lime, cut like that.
Lime. Yes, this is mint.
Mint, oh,
Yes.
all natural, wow.
Yes, natural.
Yeah, all natural mint. And this is the cane.
This is the cane.
This is the cane.
You cut like this, then
Yeah. All right. Run it through. Run it. Oh, okay. So you said this one is for 200.
1 liter.
Yeah.
So this would be 300.
Yeah, okay.
300, 600.
So she want all of them full?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So my brother want to fill this up. What about this one? 300. Okay. So you throw the water. All right, Miss Jam was throwing away the water. So my Jamaican sister want like the cane with the mint, with the lime, with the ginger. Okay. All right. So okay. So she want 2. Remove 600 from there. Yeah. All right. So it would be 800, right? It would be 800. Give me back 200. Yes, with it. 6 and 2, 8. Yes.
She doesn't want this.
She doesn't want this. Ah. All right. All right. So give him back. Give me another 200. Give me another 200. Just throw it in that then. Yeah. So you want to taste with it?
No, like he said it has too much ginger.
Well, so you take it to her and ask her if it's alright, right? Yeah, I should get another 200.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, so take that to her and see if she like it. Yeah. Give me another 200.
Yes. We will.
Alright. Add the ginger to this one. Too much.
Too much, right? And that's why he has asked me. She wants too much ginger like that.
She want mild ginger. Mild ginger. Alright, mild. Mild ginger. Guys, you cannot drink. You can't drink it.
Maybe if it has a lot of ginger, because I can't.
Let me drink it, sweetie. Throw it away. It's not a lot of ginger, sweetie.
Sorry. This is like it.
No, taste it. The other one that we buy is even worse than this one.
My leg was worse.
Yeah.
My leg was worse because I was stopping for.
Yeah, family. Cane juice, lime, mint, and ginger. And this is how it's been made. This is how it's been made.
It's been squeezed until.
Yeah, the juice are
It's a pig
squeezed.
that was chewing.
Yeah. Imagine if you all have one of these at Jamaica, you make a lot of money. You know?
Flat, yeah.
This thing.
You get confused. I'm speaking English, I'm speaking English.
This is mint.
Yeah, and that's the mint.
Okay.
Mint. Eh?
You get people confused. Speaking English. You make me speak Kikuyu at the same time to explain.
Wow, as you can see, fam, it's strained. It's actually strained to the bone.
I tell you. I tell you.
Strained to the bone. Can't cut the line like that. Yeah, it's supposed to give me 200. Cut like that. Run it.
Oh, they're called like my brother.
Eh?
They're called like my brother and Jenga.
Jenga.
Yeah, it's about Jenga.
And money.
Oh, I didn't want this.
Someone.
Oh, no,
Yeah, 200. Yeah, man. Thank you. All right, right here, sweetie. Eh? How it is?
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Forgive this one because of my tuning in my stomach.
All right, family. So that is it.
Put the zipper cord.
You cannot keep it at the front.
Oh,
Yeah, family, that is it for the cane juice.
Which one?
The lady.
Hi, Mama. Hi. How are you?
I'm good.
Eh.
Let me go and turn and come.
Reke twigarure tuke. Reke tugure kindu haha tuke. Niega biũ. Eh. Bobo is your friend. He has nice avocados. See, this is your friend, the guy.
Boss.
Is it the one? He's not the one.
Avocado ripe?
Not right.
These ones look like they can be ripe. Not sure. These ones on this side. Okay. Yeah. The time? No, here, the stretch. Or I believe they've changed. Yeah, it's here. Time and stuff. Not sure. Does he have?
That's rosemary. Asking.
She went down. Look.
You have time? Yeah. Alright, okay, alright. Time. Rosemary.
Them banana there.
Green
Boil.
You want it?
Green banana.
Boil.
I be they're building what here? Like an apartment, not you? This will be an apartment. Oh. I think this is the time here.
Time. Time, yeah. Yeah. Finish.
Up to tomorrow.
Finish?
Yeah, he's saying up to tomorrow.
Basil and sage, Abba. Basil and sage.
He wants time.
Now we'll get the thing right there.
The big whatever.
So what's up?
Seems like the market is
We can take Vincent for avocado, right?
what of that place I was showing you there next to where those ladies are cleaning. They look like they can be ripe. Yeah. Yeah?
Get some banana.
Green.
To boil. Green banana to boil.
Oh yeah. From the lady who greeted me. She has nice bananas, yeah. Who was on my phone?
Positive.